let's look at, as a part of home remedies, my dear friends, let us look at some of the medicines basically you can use, for some particular symptoms in your physical life. Probably the best way is go to the nearby medical shop of homeopathy, ask for these medicines, they'll give you. So maybe it depends upon symptoms also, they try to give you, but it may not exactly work, but you can try to take a help for the urgent purposes. You don't need to depend on a particular doctor like English medicine. You don't need to depend on anybody. Even if you take also, no much side effects will come. One thing you need to understand. But for a small, the different small diseases where you can cure, like a cold, cough, fever, these kind of medicines you can procure and keep in your house itself. Most of the times, you can start giving to your parents, your children, like that. You can try. That's why the learning of this homeopathy is also so great, my dear friends. Like, so there are a lot of lessons which you can go through, right? So, Ekira Krishnamacharya, our great Master AK, okay? He was a great homeopathy doctor. In fact, he has not studied any homeopathy, but he learned it. But after that, he became a very famous doctor. Giving one small medicine, he can cure anything. So that is the power of this homeopathy, my dear friends. Now, see here some of the medicine, arsenic album. Arsenic album with what are the cases? Flu-like symptoms, cold, fever, gastrointestinal problems. For these problems, is excellent medicine, arsenic album. In fact, this arsenic album and rustox, these two worked greatly at the time of so-called the corona time. These two worked wonders, my dear friends. Okay. Now, gelsemium. Gelsemium is also like it's one of the best medicine. You can definitely, any kind of a flu-like symptoms, weakness comes, any heavy sensation or fatigue, some kind of a tiredness happens, you can use this medicine. Okay, and use the lower dose. Never go to the higher dose. Always lower dose for a long time is going to work. Higher dose for any kind of critical disease, we use it. Otherwise, not higher doses for all the people. Mostly, you will be able to use 30 to 100. That's more than enough. Okay, right. Potency I'm telling about. Now, Eupatorium perpoliterium. So this is also, friends, again, muscle pain, severe bone pain, okay, these kind of conditions. The dengue fever, influenza, this is a wonderful medicine. Okay, so these again home remedies, like medicine you can use at your home itself. Okay, it's very simple, and once you understand. Belladonna, friends, belladonna is also wonderful medicine. Like any high fever, somebody is suffering from high fever. If you use this medicine, let me tell you, you will come out of this high fever within. I have seen many examples. Even myself within our house. I never used any medicine, but my children. So they tried to use, and then they came out of this. Okay, it's also very good. Belladonna, high fever. High fever is excellent medicine. The Bryona alba, okay, is also like, aggravated by, so any kind of symptoms aggravated by dryness, thirst, and motion, Bryona may be indicated. It's often used in viral infections with the body pain and desire for rest. If you keep that, if you keep feeling, I want rest, so with this viral disease, definitely you can take this. And Rustox, the big name is there, but the short name is Rustox. This remedy is associated with the restlessness, stiffness, aggravated on initial movement, but improving with the continued movement. It can be considered for viral infections with joint and muscle pains. See, some of the people, what happens when the viral infections comes, a lot of joint pain and muscle pain comes. That point of time, add this medicine also. Rustox also, you add and give it to them. Okay, it will solve. So this is how you can plan to use these basic medicines, my dear friends. Keep this as a kit, one kit in the house. Start using it. Don't worry, and no side effects. No need to rush to the allopathy doctor and spoil your health and lose your money. And it creates a lot of unrest in the family also, my dear friends. Now, thank you, my dear friends, for listening patiently so far. All these today's topics. So, Mahavatar Foundation express sincere thanks to all of you.